Hello children, our today's activity is making an album by using textbook page number 109 to 118. At the end of the video, I will show you how to make an album by using these pages. Through this activity, you have got an opportunity to make your family member feel special. Let's know the meanings of the new words. First one is culmination. Culmination means ending part or completion. Second word is blurb. Blurb means a short description of a book. म्हणजे पुस्तकावर पुस्तकाबद्दल छापलेली माहिती. Glimpse. Glimpse means glance. हिंदी में इसे झलक कहते हैं आणि मराठीमध्ये एका नजरेत. Now look at the cover page of your PBL textbook. Observe it. A cover page has interesting picture that gives a glimpse of the story inside the book. It also tells us who wrote the book. It gives us information about the author and the publisher of the book. कवर पेज से किताब जिसने लिखी है उनका नाम पता चलता है और कवर पेज के ऊपर के चित्रों से हमें किताब किस बारे में है यह पता चलता है. When you will create cover page, you can draw any interesting drawing or pictures, drawing of your family members. You can also write any interesting name. For example, my family or Rohit's family. You can decorate your cover page. Blurb. Blurb means a short description of a book. A blurb is a short, informal piece of writing indicating what the final paper will cover. Children, write blurb at the back. Blurb is the second most important thing which grabs the reader's attention. It is a short review of the book. It also develops curiosity and interest in reading the book. Why do you need to write a blurb? You have to write a blurb to give a short information about your album. Children, you have to complete these pages information. Then cut these all pages with the help of scissors. Marking is already given there. Look at this marking. So from here you can cut the pages. Let's see what can you write here. Children, from page numbers 109 to 112, some blank pages are given. My notes. In these pages, you have to write about your family. Whatever you want to share about your family, you can write it in this space. For example, you have learned so many things about your family and different people or relatives, such as number and names of your family members, names of relations, joint or nuclear family, big or small family. You can paste your family pictures or photographs on these given blank pages. Next task of drawing or pasting a picture of any one thing or activity that you do with your family under the heading Things We Do Together. Then look at the point 2. Special family member. Here, paste a picture of your special family member. Point 3. Write or draw hobbies of your family members. Look at the point 4. Helping each other. Write here, how do you help each other? Point 5. My most memorable moment. Here, write your most memorable moment with your family or you can draw pictures. Most memorable यानी आपका सबसे यादगार पल आपको यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करना है या लिखना है. Children, some pictures are given here to get idea. So, refer these pictures. You can draw here any picture or you can write any messages. So, children, in this way, complete these all the pages and cut the pages. Children, after completing these all the pages information, we have to make an cover page. So let's see how to make a cover page. Look at the size of chart paper. Now children, I am going to make cover page by using this chart. Let's write here. Also I am drawing here my family members. Also you can use different colors. For hair, use black color. So children, in this way you can make your cover page. You can write any name on it. You can decorate your cover page. Children, if you completed your all the information of these pages, all the pages, then you have to cut these pages from here. The marking is already given in your books. Children, after cutting all the pages, put them in the album. Then tie them using a thread or staple along with the cover page. Children, remember the activity. First, prepare a cover page. Then, complete the pages 109 to 118, which you can use as many as pages you want. After completing these pages, cut and tie them using a thread or staple along with the cover page. Any of the blank page, you can write your experience, feelings about the task and what do you like the most about it. Thank you. Take care.